This is one of the favorite events as we won it twice now, and we hope to make it the third time and to have a hat trick.
And it's Björn Hansen that is powering back towards the line. This perhaps the tensest area of the race so far.
This is the year that we're going to win the World Championship.
Björn Hansen from Sweden that crosses the line.
We had a typical Williams-Hansen match with a lot of screaming and shouting and flags flying all over the place, and
we believe that this type of sailing suits us. It's very physical, you really need to work for it, but if you do it in the right way, you can definitely gain it.
But it's Björn Hansen from Sweden that crosses the line to win the Stena Match Cup. The horns sound across the harbour, and rightly so. He is the champion. He sails better than any other sailor here. The crews punch the air and they celebrate this win here of the Stena Match Cup. A historic year, a historic win. What a performance from skipper Björn Hansen.